Hey folks, welcome. It's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to show you some Mary Maxim kits that I had bought when they were on sale with, their kits that use BagODay Crochet Crystal's new tonal yarns, which I'm so excited about, and the yarn's really nice. I haven't had a chance to work with it yet because I'm still working on some other projects that have deadlines. I wanted to say welcome to my new and returning watchers. Thanks so much, and if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much as well for my members for watching and for your continued support. Thank you. So I ended up getting 3 kits, which was the I had a coupon, and they also had where it was 25% off, so it came out really good. So it came out cheaper to get a kit. And then if I didn't want to make the pattern, because I also got the 2 for the cardigans, if I didn't, I can make another sweater with it. I have a few in mind of Crystal's patterns that I want to do of the cardigans, or I can use the yarn to make a different blanket or a different project. And it came out cheaper that way when you were buying it, because you weren't getting the 25% off with if you were buying the yarn separately. And also the other thing too was that I'm like part of their preferred club member thing, so I automatically got 10% off on top of that. And then I hadn't been using the rewards, so I applied some of the rewards points to it. So it came out great for me. So yeah, I got the chromatic textures blanket yarn, and this kit comes with that pattern. This pattern is designed by Mary Maxim. Actually, it has in here which designer it is. It is not one of Crystal's patterns. Yeah, designed by Ruth Hunter, it says. So this is what the blanket looks like. I think it's really pretty, and I love the colors it was in. And it's classified as an intermediate pattern. They say the size should be around 41 to 53 inches. They call for like a size 7 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, or a size I9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And it's nice. They have some closer up pictures of the blanket itself. And this kit comes with 10 cakes of the yarn. And I got it in the Purple Majesty color. It's just really pretty. Sorry, Your Majesty Queen color. That's what the color is called. I remembered it differently. And I go over this in another review that I have. So I'll put the card for that up here. And yeah, again, it's the BagODay Tonal Hues Premium Anti-Pilling Acrylic yarn. And in that video, I talk a lot more about the yarn. So machine wash in warm water, tremble dry low. It's I think for this print of it, there was a misprint, so it's not actually 328 yards. I think it's 280 yards that comes in each cake. And they recommend it's classified as a size 4 weight yarn. It's made in Turkey. I'm sorry, I forgot to say where the other premier yarn was made in, but in my last video for the Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit one. And it recommends a 5.0 US 8 millimeter knitting needles or a 5 millimeter US H8 crochet hook. So again, that's everything that's in there. And very nice and very excited about that. Sorry about that. I know, I'm in a rush. Wanted to get these done. So I ended up getting the Coloratura Cardigan Kit, 2 of them. This pattern is by Crystal from BagODay Crochet. You can see the picture on the Mary Maxim site better. Depending the size you order is how many cakes of yarn it comes with. So that's the pattern. It's actually really thick. It's in really nice stock paper too. And what else? Let me see. I got it. This one, I got the largest size, which I think was a 2X. And the colorway is the Liquid Mercury colorway, which is really pretty. It's like a dark green, grayish green. And if you're ever curious on how many cakes a kit has, you can actually call Mary Maxim and ask them. So, just so you know, because I did that because I was curious on this. So this larger size has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it comes with 8 cakes. And let me see, I put the receipt here in the bag. I think when I managed to buy it, the cardigan kit for the 2XL was $25.20 after my discounts. And the chromatic textures I got for 35 bucks. Yep, and I had gotten some bonbon yarn for, you know, as well. Yeah, it doesn't show all my coupons on the invoice. And the other one I got was in the, yeah, that's the 7 C's colorway, and it's also another 8 cake. So actually in the pictures, this one is done in a blue, I think that might be 7 C's, and this one where that's her son. That's her daughter. And the picture of her son, that one is the mercury, liquid mercury colorway that cardigan's done in. And let me show you this one close up, even though I've shown it before, but just in case you didn't see that video. And again, that video will be here in the corner, the link to it. I don't have a loose one. Well, they come double bagged, so, but it's a really pretty, like a tealish color. So I hope that helps. And if you want to see it better, you can check out my other video, and I actually took it out of the plastic. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Bye. Take care.